Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the fractional index change. Now what is a fractional index change? It is denoted by the symbol delta. So what is a fractional index change? Fractional index change is the ratio of refractive index, a difference between the core and the cladding, to the refractive index of the core of an optical fiber. So why do you want to define this fractional index change, or why you want to calculate this fractional index change? So you want to know that what is a refractive index I can change with respect to the core with the respect to cladding. So if you want to know that what is the refractive index, I can change. So that we can calculate from this formula. So delta is equal to n1 minus n2 by n1. So you know that n1 is a refractive index of a core minus refractive index of a cladding. This difference by refractive index of a core. So if you take the ratio of these two, we can find what is the fractional index change. Next up, we'll find what is the mode. So what is the modes of propagation? So mode means it is very simple. We can visualize that a number of allowed paths of a light in an optical fiber. So a mode is also called mode is also known as a pattern of motion in the vibrating body, and also it is known as a light ray, a paths along which the waves are in phase inside the fiber. Okay, now we can take an example that how many paths we can find in an optical fiber or in a room itself. So if you want to enter into a bedroom, so you can pass from the entrance door, that is a one path. You can pass from entrance to the room, a bedroom, one way. Another a path is next, from kitchen also we can go to bedroom. So we can come to all and you can go to bedroom. So this is a second path. Like this, so we can find the number of paths to go to a bedroom in your home itself. So such type of examples you can imagine that even in the optical fiber. So the number of rays which can find the paths which is propagating in the optical fiber. So how to find this number of paths, that is denoted by the symbol V number. So the V number is known as the number of modes supported for a light propagation in the optical fiber, and that is known as V number. So how to find this V number? So the V number denoted by the symbol V equal to pi d by lambda into root of n1 square minus n2 square. So, where pi is a constant and d is the diameter of the optical fiber and lambda is the wavelength of a light which is incidented. And another one is the refractive index of the core and the cladding. The square root of refractive index of a core and the cladding. Okay. So, V number is also we can write like this: V equal to pi d by lambda, and the root of n1 square minus n2 square is a numerical aperture. And we can find that where n naught is the refractive index of a air medium. So if you consider air medium, the refractive index is 1. So that this equation we can write like this: V equal to pi d by lambda into root of n1 square minus n2 square. And the number of modes, if you want to calculate, where number of modes will be equal to V square by 2. So always the number of paths are always greater than 1. So we cannot imagine that there will be no path. So V is always greater than 1. So this is about V number.